Hello, welcome back, my dear friends, to Learn Gujarati. I hope you guys are doing well. So, let's start with our today's session. So, today we'll learn some daily use Gujarati sentences or phrases. So, the very first is go fast means ઝડપથી જાઓ. Go fast means ઝડપથી જાઓ. So, in this sentence, fast means ઝડપથી. In this sentence, fast means ઝડપથી and go means જાઓ and go means જાઓ. The next one is you can go means તમે જઈ શકો છો. You can go means તમે જઈ શકો છો. So in this sentence, you means તમે. In this sentence, you means તમે and can go means જઈ શકો છો. Can go means જઈ શકો છો. The next one is read it again means તેને ફરીથી વાંચો. Read it again means તેને ફરીથી વાંચો. So in this sentence, read means વાંચો. In this sentence, read means વાંચો and again means ફરીથી. Again means ફરીથી. The next one is don't underestimate me means મને ઓછો આંકશો નહીં. Don't underestimate me means મને ઓછો આંકશો નહીં. So in this sentence, estimate means આંકશો. Estimate means આંકશો and don't under means ઓછો નહીં. Here under means ઓછો and don't means નહીં. Under means ઓછો and don't means નહીં. And for me, here meaning is મને. For me, the meaning is મને. So the complete sentence will be મને ઓછો આંકશો નહીં. The next one is I admit my mistake means હું મારી ભૂલ સ્વીકારું છું. I admit my mistake means હું મારી ભૂલ સ્વીકારું છું. So in this sentence, mistake means ભૂલ. In this sentence, mistake means ભૂલ and I admit means હું સ્વીકારું છું. I admit means હું સ્વીકારું છું. So here admit means સ્વીકારું છું. Admit means સ્વીકારું છું. So the complete sentence will be હું મારી ભૂલ સ્વીકારું છું. I admit my mistake means હું મારી ભૂલ સ્વીકારું છું. The next one is these are mine means આ મારા છે. These are mine means આ મારા છે. The next one is we will meet again means આપણે ફરી મળીશું. We will meet again means આપણે ફરી મળીશું. So in this sentence, meet means મળીશું. Meet means મળીશું and again means ફરીથી. Again means ફરીથી. The next one is do you know me means શું તમે મને જાણો છો. Do you know me means શું તમે મને જાણો છો. Okay, I'm repeating. Do you know me? શું તમે મને જાણો છો. So in this sentence, know means જાણો. Know means જાણો. And because this is a questionary sentence, we have started with word શું. We have started word with શું. Okay. Are you ill means શું તમે બીમાર છો. Or straight away you can ask તમે બીમાર છો. when you are adding questionary kind of expression on your face, you can ignore શું word at the starting of the sentence. Okay, so I'm repeating. Are you ill means તમે બીમાર છો. Okay, if I'm adding questionary expression on my face, I can ignore શું word at the starting of the sentence. Okay, what would you like means તમને શું ગમે છે. What would you like means તમને શું ગમે છે. So in this sentence, like means ગમે. In this sentence, like means ગમે and you means તમને. You means તમને. The next one is go and sleep means જાવ અને સૂઈ જાવ. Go and sleep means જાવ અને સૂઈ જાવ. So in this sentence, sleep means સૂઈ જાવ. In this sentence, sleep means સૂઈ જાવ. And for go, જાવ. And for go, જાવ. I have heard about means મેં તેના વિશે સાંભળ્યું. I have heard about means મેં તેના વિશે સાંભળ્યું. So in this sentence, heard means સાંભળ્યું. Heard means સાંભળ્યું. And about means તેના વિશે. The next one is I have heard about you means મેં તમારા વિશે સાંભળ્યું છે. I have heard about you means મેં તમારા વિશે સાંભળ્યું છે. So here, heard means સાંભળ્યું. Then about you means તમારા વિશે. About you means તમારા વિશે. The next one is this is not my phone means આ મારો ફોન નથી. This is not my phone means આ મારો ફોન નથી. The next one is did you see her means શું તમે તેને જોઈ. I'm repeating. Did you see her means શું તમે તેને જોઈ. Okay, alright guys, let's have some quick exercise. So the very first is what word is used for good in Gujarati. Correct, શુભ. Good means શુભ in Gujarati. Good means શુભ in Gujarati. So like just for example, good morning means correct, શુભ પ્રભાત or સુપ્રભાત. Good afternoon means correct, શુભ બપોર. And good evening means perfect, શુભ સાંજ. So next one is how would you say let me go in Gujarati. Perfect. Let me go means મને જવા દ્યો. Let me go means મને જવા દ્યો in Gujarati. Next one is how would you say I want this one in Gujarati. Correct. મને આ જોઈએ છે. I want this one in Gujarati. મને આ જોઈએ છે. Very simple. How would you say I swear in Gujarati? Correct guys. I swear means મારી કસમ. I swear means મારી કસમ. How would you say hurry up in Gujarati? Well done. Hurry up means ઝડપ રાખો. Hurry up means ઝડપ રાખો. Thank you so much my dear friends to watching the video, and I hope you guys enjoying all the videos and learning Gujarati very well. So kindly click on like button, share with your friends so they can also learn Gujarati, and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more videos. Jai Shri Krishna.